In this series, I'm telling you how to make the most of your vacation, and I'm starting off with Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. As soon as you get off the plane, you're greeted with a culture. As soon as you get to the hotel, you're greeted with a drink. And check out your room, but you're not going to spend much time there because there's so much to do on property. You're going to spend most of your mornings drinking Dominican coffee and looking over views like these. Maybe you'll start the morning off with a mimosa, but whatever you do, I suggest getting up early and going down to reserve a spot at the pool because this is where you're going to want to spend most of your day. Next up, you're going to try a pina colada in a coconut if you can find one. You're going to want to try fresh mojitos, and of course, you got to try Presidente, which is the beer of Dominican Republic. To do all the restaurants, you need to make reservations, so I usually do this as soon as I land on property. I set up all my reservations for the week or for the few days, and this way you can always change them, but at least you have at least one locked in every day. If you don't like the food, you could always change it at any time. And of course, there's always the buffet option. I love to do that for mornings with my eggs and hot sauce. And keep in mind, guys, the fresh fish here is so good, so make sure you try all the different Dominican kinds of fish. And then at night, you're going to see the nightly entertainment. Again, it's included in the package for your all-inclusive resort. They have dancing, they have great food. This one had a Zorro who was refilling everyone's wine glasses. You never know what you're going to see depending on which resort you stay at. If you do want to go off property, I highly suggest Isla Soana. This is like the big pool in Dominican Republic. It's beautiful, white sand beaches. You take a speedboat out there and then you have lunch. You spend the day on the island. You take in these views. Check it out. It is so beautiful. And then you take a catamaran on the way back and make sure you get in plenty of dancing and try all the different Dominican rum that they have on the catamaran. This is one of the parts I love about Dominican Republic. The water here is just so beautiful. Another cool place off property is Coco Bongo. This is the place to be. Everybody goes here. They have crazy performances, beautiful dancers, and just a little FYI, I suggest the VIP package because it comes with a table and chair because general admission is all standing, and if you're wearing heels and dancing, you're going to need to sit down eventually. And don't forget about duty free on your way home. You can try free samples of more Dominican rum and take it home for cheap. Hit that plus for more travel tips.